Yo, what is up, Zeph? I need a Christmas hat. I just wanted to add a quick disclaimer. If you are a grandma or someone experienced in sewing or hoping for a decent tutorial, this is not the video for you. Just go ahead and click off and find a different video. But yeah, let's get started. Hi. So, I have this piece of fabric, scrap. This is how you make it really fast and easy. Overlap it like this. I don't know how big my head is, but I'm just gonna YOLO it. My head can't be that big, right? Let's just find the middle. It doesn't have to be perfect because when you put the Christmas hat on, it's gonna fall to the side anyway. So if it's imperfect, no one will even notice. And it's just a triangle, really. So how hard could it really be? Boom. And then we have to separate the seam at the bottom because how will we fit our head inside? Boom. Don't even need pins. Just send it. A little jammed. We're having some technical difficulties here. Take 3. Take 4. Sometimes I kind of fuck up the tensioning. I don't really know how this works. Nothing a good old on and off won't fix. Other side, the same like that. Opening. We have the hat right here. We'll see how it fits on head. Turn it inside out. Perfect. Oh. All right, so back to step 1. Someone on the internet says it should be 13 inches by 13 inches. Mine is 12 inches by 12 inches. I got a pretty big head, so let's try 14. If you guys already made a Christmas hat correctly, you guys can skip this step. What we'll do is we'll add an extension here. We'll add about like a 2-inch extension on this side. You know, we don't even need to measure it. Like I said, we can just kind of full send it. We're gonna open up this seam, and then we're gonna put this attachment on. I hope you're not making this as a Christmas gift to someone. I'm feeling really lazy, so I'm just gonna rip it. Don't rip too hard. Now let's take this puppy to the sewing. Oh, I'm so lost. Oh, wrong way. This way. You know what? I'm not gonna act like this is a tutorial. I'm just gonna narrate it like a normal person. I'm not gonna try to strengthen the seam here because I'm gonna go over it when I sew the sides together anyways. And I don't think this hat is making it past this Christmas. Let's do the other side. All right. I'm pretty excited. I think this will turn out pretty good. So now, you know, if you're feeling really stylish, you could have made the extra strip white. Make like a little peppermint Christmas hat. What did I say? And now it has extra structure. And all that's left is to add the collar here and a little thing on top. Here I'm deciding to use this white scrap that I have, but in hindsight, now that I've made the hat longer, I don't think it'll fit. So the only other scrap I have is this pink felt. So we'll have to take some creative liberties here. You know, it's a little twist on Christmas. You know, I think it'll still look decent, so don't be too sad. Oh, I think she's here. I think I messed up. I let her in, by the way. She's just sitting on the couch eating a little mini quiche. Here is this collar. Oh, I'm stupid. That's only long enough for one side of the hat. Oh. Okay. Fold it in on itself. Like I said, we want these raw parts to be on the inside. Let's go! You could be ironing out these pieces while you sew them on, everything will be a lot more exact and a lot more neat. But like I said, I'm trying to do this fast. Put it like this, and we want to probably be on a seam so that it starts and ends at a seam, so that, you know, we can kind of tuck it away at the back. Give it a bit of a trim. All right. Reveal. Grand reveal. Hey! All right, one last final step. We're not done yet. Cherry on top. Boom. All right. It's pretty insanely thick, but I don't feel like busting out a sewing needle right now. Oh, it did not sew on at all. Secret weapon. Apply. It's not working. I have super glued fur onto my thumbs. All right. You know what? Let's just go back to the original plan. I think it was clear this wasn't gonna work out. Let's just sew this on. All right, that looks good. Fuck! Oh my God. Can you do this?
Oh my gosh.
Hey. That's gonna be the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching. Finally, before I end, I just want to give a shout out to my girlfriend for putting this pom-pom on. So talented and gifted. Wow, just so amazing. Hope you guys have a very good Christmas. Yeah, thanks for watching. Peace.